Alright, this is our CAD design for an 8-foot rotating turnstile to be used by the theater department. Thought this one would be a little more fun to do a walkthrough video instead of some screenshots. So to give you an idea, this is an 8-foot diameter base. This is a meshed steel construction. This is the bottom of the platform. So underneath the platform, we have we have caster wheels that allow this set piece to be pushed out onto the theater floor. And then we have foot brakes that can be engaged to keep the platform from moving once it's out on the stage. Okay, inside are some of the electrical components. You have 4 12-volt batteries that are used to run the motors. We have 4 wheelchair motors that are tied with a chain drive to 4 wheels that will drive the platform, the turnstile, in circles. You have 4 passive wheels that help bear the weight of the shell. So with the shell turned on, you get an 8-foot diameter round flat surface on which you can build any kind of set that you want. You might do something like this where you have a triangular set, where you have one set piece faced towards the audience, and then you can rotate. So when this is engaged or when you push the button, this would cause the set to begin to rotate. And it rotates nice and slow to avoid throwing the set in the floor. So ideally this would rotate at a speed where you get 1/3 of a rotation every 30 seconds. So every 30 seconds you could get a brand new set. If you were doing a 2-sided set, it'd take 45 seconds to spin from front to back, and then 1.5 minutes for a full rotation. So that's your robotic turnstile. So you can see the motors turning forward, the wheels will turn. Those hit the bottom of that turtle shell, causing the turtle shell to go around. Okay.